So we're selling the SS as spares or whatever. You need to rebuild it like a puzzle piece. We'll pull it out just now and get some better footage. But reason for moving cars around again today is we've sold these engines. So the SS needs to come out of here to get those engines out. We're gonna pull this one out and drive it to the bottom and hopefully overnight battery charged worked. So we're gonna start her up, cold start. It's a freezing morning. Yes, the sun is out, but it's cold now. I don't know if you can see the back window of the bakkie. It's probably about 7 degrees. So we're gonna, guys, we need to sell these and those fenders. There's 3 cars worth of fenders, 3 left, 3 rights, an extra chassis and 2 back ends. Let's hope it starts. I hope there's fuel. And action. So on closer inspection, we see this side is kind of painted, but only as far as the side. The roof and the back and this side is still in primer. The job was never finished. The 2 main lights work, those bottom lights don't work. the side, those two lights work. The indicators are these little flaps here. If we turn the ignition on, sorry, here we see they sort of come up. They need a bit of work. I can't reach. So inside the cabin, most of the clusters, this works. The speedo needs a cable. The battery doesn't charge. The fuel gauge doesn't work. This gauge does work. Yeah, I haven't gone through all of it. The window opens. It's got a sunroof. It's got the visors, the rear view mirror. Everything sort of works, but it needs cleaning and restoring. The floor needs a carpet. I do have that cover. The wheel stays hard. It's only this wheel that goes down. It's standing on its handbrake. I do have that door handle. I do have these little clips. If we look inside the boot here, we've got a whole thing here. There's an extra hose pipe, but it's just a sample. We've got all these little extras: window winder, door handle, wiper blades, etc. There's plates for the car as well. I'm not sure if that's the original jack stand. It has no toolbox, so that's empty. And I don't think it's got a spare wheel. Yeah, no, it's got a spare wheel as well. This bumper is a little bit bent, so when you open it, it hits there, and there you'll see the spare wheel. So there we can have a better view of this side of the car now. So guys, it's just the body. It's not even standing on its original chassis. The original chassis is downstairs, and all the stuff that goes inside is downstairs. It's like a puzzle we need to build. And then here's obviously those two back. And there we have her in the other garage. I'm not showing you how I trailer cars. I used the A-frame on the bucky. I'm not showing you how bad of a trailer driver I am. But there you can see the other side of it. There is some dents. It's well preserved. It's very oily, dirty. I don't know. But yeah, I wish somebody can build it. If not me, we'll see if somebody gets to take it off my hands. But yeah, very lovely car could be. And we can build some extra rat rods or something with all the nice fenders. And luckily the XJ6 engines are now sold. All the spares are gone, almost gone actually, and it's all been packed inside the car and inside the boot. The boot doesn't close, so they tied it up with a rope. I'm not gonna open that, but you can see how low it is. I'm quite impressed with their packing skills, and they've packed some stuff inside the bonnet, and then the car is full. And again, same with the boot, full. So finally these cars are gone. Sorry Mike, and off she goes. Here we've got a 1.5 liter for the Mk4 and some plates for the chassis and so forth. The chassis is in the top garage. I showed you that before. So basically, I don't know how complete it is. I do see it needs a carburetor and a cap for the distributor. It does turn. I'll show you the gearbox shortly. The nice thing is it's got its engine mountings, which I might need to loot.
Ten.
Just a reminder there, that chassis over there belongs to a 1.5 liter, and the chassis that this car is on, I don't know what chassis it is, but you can see it's modern. It's got hydraulic brakes, so this chassis does not belong to this body, and this chassis that does belong to this body I will show you now. Okay, so that is the chassis. That is the chassis for the SS, the 38 SS. I think this is the front axle with its drum and steering thing, and the rear axle with the diff and all the brakes. And then here I think this is the 1.5 liter front axle with drums. This chassis was painted and cured and inside out, so it is in fairly good condition. It's just that there's a little bit of a dent. And here in this room, I think I'll have to make another video unpacking all these spares. But here's the convertible frame for the roof. There's a fuel tank, some shocks. The green gearbox is for the 1.5 liter. The other gearbox is for the SS, or it could also be that gearbox for the SS. There's a gearbox cover, some extra tires, some extra bonnets, fenders, there's windows, some more wheels, grills, another diff drivetrain, and then up here we've got all the roof covers. So guys, we'll make another video unpacking all these spares. You'll see there's 1, 2, 3, there's another 2 boxes behind those doors of these boxes full of spares. So in the next video we'll unpack that. But guys, thank you for watching the channel, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope somebody can take all these things away from me. Smash the like button, click the subscribe button, notification, all those things. It would be appreciated, and until next time.